Most people think digital marketing is just posting on social media and hoping for likes. But in 2025, that couldn't be further from the truth. The businesses and creators who win today are the ones using smart strategies, mixing creativity with data and tools with storytelling. So in this video, I'll break down digital marketing strategies that actually work in 2025 and how you can use them to grow faster. Digital marketing isn't just for big brands anymore. It's the backbone of every successful online business, side hustle, and even personal brand. In the past, marketing meant huge budgets, billboards, and TV ads. But today, one person with a smartphone and the right strategy can reach millions. That's why 2025 is such an exciting time. The playing field is level if you know how to play. So in this video, we'll cover the smartest digital marketing strategies for 2025. From social media hacks and email marketing to AI-powered tools and content strategies, I'll show you what's working now and how you can use it to grow. One, content is still king, but distribution is queen. We've all heard content is king. That's true, but content without distribution is invisible. Here's the reality. In 2025, creating content is only half the battle. The other half is getting it seen. That means learning how to repurpose and distribute it across platforms. For example, one YouTube video can turn into a TikTok short with the best 30 seconds, an Instagram reel with captions and music, a Twitter X thread summarizing the main points, a blog post for SEO, an email to your subscribers. The smartest creators squeeze maximum value from every piece of content. They don't just post once and hope. It's about being everywhere without burning out. 2, personal branding and storytelling. People don't connect with logos. They connect with stories. In 2025, marketing is less about being professional and more about being relatable. Even if you're faceless, your brand still needs a personality. Think of the creators you follow. Chances are you don't just follow them for information, you follow them for how they deliver it. Maybe it's their humor, their honesty, or their perspective. Storytelling is your biggest weapon. Instead of saying, "This tool saves time," tell a story. Last year, I wasted hours editing videos manually. Then I discovered this tool that cut my editing time in half, and now I have time to create more content. That shift from facts to story is what makes marketing stick. 3, short-form video domination. If you want attention in 2025, short-form video is non-negotiable. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are where billions of eyeballs are every single day. The algorithm loves fresh, quick, engaging content. And the beauty is, you don't need fancy equipment. Just your phone and a clear message. But here's the trick. The first 3 seconds are everything. That's where the hook comes in. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or show a surprising fact. Once you grab attention, keep it with pacing, captions, and energy. And don't forget, short form is the gateway. It grabs attention, then directs people to your long-form content, your website, or your products. 4, email marketing is not dead. Social platforms are powerful, but they're not yours. Algorithms change, accounts get banned, reach disappears overnight. That's why building an email list in 2025 is more important than ever. Email is the one channel you fully control. No middleman, no algorithm. Just you and your audience. Think of it like this: every follower on social media is borrowed attention. Every email subscriber is owned attention. And don't worry, you don't need to write boring newsletters. Emails today are short, personal, and story-driven. Share value, tips, or even behind-the-scenes updates. The goal is to build trust and keep people coming back. 5, AI-powered marketing tools. AI isn't replacing marketers, it's giving them superpowers. For content ideas, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI. For SEO, tools like Surfer SEO or ClearScope to optimize articles. For social media, tools like Buffer AI and Hootsuite that auto-generate captions. For ads, AI-driven platforms that A/B test dozens of ad variations automatically. The best marketers don't resist AI. They use it to save time, cut costs, and get better results. One creator I know uses AI to repurpose his YouTube videos into blog posts, then uses SEO to drive organic traffic. That single system now generates thousands of views every month on autopilot. 6, paid ads done right. Paid ads are still powerful, but only if you do them smart. In 2025, the winning formula is value first, sell later. Instead of running ads that scream, "Buy this now," successful marketers run ads that educate, entertain, or inspire. For example, a free guide, a short tutorial, or a mini case study. Once people trust you, then you present your product. And the good news? Ads don't have to cost a fortune. With just $5, $10 per day, you can test, learn, and scale. The secret is targeting. Don't try to reach everyone, focus on the exact group who cares about your offer. That's how you turn clicks into conversions. 7. Community is the new marketing in 2025. People don't just want content, they want connection. That's why communities are so powerful. Whether it's a Discord group, a private Facebook community, or even a Telegram channel, having a space where your audience can interact with you and each other creates loyalty. When people feel like they belong, they don't just consume your content, they become advocates. They share, recommend, and even defend your brand. Think about it. A strong community is like free marketing that never stops. 8. Analytics and data. Without boring numbers, data can sound boring, but it's your best friend. You don't need to be a data scientist. You just need to pay attention to simple things. Which posts got the most likes? Which videos had the highest watch time? Which emails had the most clicks? Those numbers tell you what your audience cares about. Instead of guessing, you double down on what works and drop what doesn't. That's how smart marketers grow faster with less effort. 9. Mistakes to avoid. Let's be honest. Most people fail at digital marketing because of a few simple mistakes. Posting randomly with no clear strategy. Copying others instead of finding their own voice. Giving up too soon when results don't come instantly. If you avoid those traps and stay consistent, you're already ahead of 90% of people. 10. Beginner's roadmap. If you're starting fresh, here's your roadmap. Pick one platform where your audience hangs out. Post consistently with valuable content. Collect emails from day one. Experiment with short-form video. Use AI tools to save time. Build community around your content. Follow those steps and you'll see growth, not overnight but steadily and surely. Here's the truth. Digital marketing in 2025 is not about luck. It's about showing up, testing, and learning. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need millions of followers. You just need to be consistent, authentic, and willing to adapt. Remember, even the biggest creators started with zero. What made the difference was persistence. So there you have it, digital marketing strategies that work in 2025. From storytelling and short-form video to email, AI tools, ads, and community. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on online income, content creation, and digital growth. Because in 2025, digital marketing isn't just about selling. It's about connecting, building trust, and creating impact. And you have everything you need to start today.